Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I'll show you how to implement Giphy API so that you can integrate Giphy in your chat application in Sketchware. So this is the basic example UI. I have a list view in which the Giphy GIF will be shown, and there is a search edit text, and when we click search button, the process will done and the search GIF will be loaded in the list view. And on create method I have called the Giphy trending GIF. All the trending GIF will be loaded. Now test the API or run the app first to get an overview how will the app will work. Okay, let's start the building. Okay, let's open it. And now this is it's depend on your network connection and network speed, and this is the trending GIF that's loaded in the list view. I have set the limit to 25. You can increase it as much as you want. I have a low network connection, so the GIF will be loaded in a much time. So it depends upon your network connection. Then how I can search it. I have love and search. Yes, you can see the lab GIF will be loaded. You can implement it in your Sketchware chat application for a better interface and better audience. So now we have to look how to implement this API. Okay, now we have to go to Google Chrome and search for Giphy API. And this is the first link, developer.giphy.com. You have to go to there and you have to set it desktop side for a better experience, and you have to go to get started. Now you have to log in. I have already logged in, so there this is my username Joy Majumdar, and you have to create a new app and get the API key. I have already created an app, so this is my API key. You have to add your own app and API key. Now copy this API key and go to Sketchware. On event on create, this is a string API key. You have to put here your own API key so that the request will be run on based on this API key. And you can you can also increase the limit by 25. I have set it 25. You can increase it as much you want. Here it is one, and another one, the limit is on search button. There you can increase the limit as much as you want. So this is the application. This is the basic application, and you can implement it as your need in any chat application or any GIF application. This is the example how you can implement Giphy in your Sketchware application. You see the Giphy in your Google board or WhatsApp or many other chat messengers, there are GIF option. So this is how it works. If you want to download this project, you have to go to Play Store for an application Sketchware Cafe. Search here Sketchware Cafe, and this is the application. The second application, Sketchware Cafe, a Sketchware project store. I have already installed it. You will now have to install it and open it. And you will open it. The project will be loaded, and here you have to search for Giphy. This is the Giphy project. You can download it and the project will be added to your Sketchware project. This is very simple. I will provide the application link and the project link also, so that you can download it easily. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.